Here is our list of the top 5 best rugged phones you can get right now. The Kyocera DuraForce Pro 3 is an ultra-rugged smartphone built for extreme environments, meeting military standard 810H and IP68 standards for durability. It features a 5.38-inch OLED display with glove and wet touch support, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus DX+. Powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, it includes 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, expandable to 2TB, and a versatile camera system. Designed for enterprise use, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6 and 6E, dual SIM, and offers strong audio, security, and programmable buttons. A removable 4,270 mAh battery, HASLOck certification, and Android Enterprise compliance make it ideal for both enterprise and individual use in demanding environments. The Blackview BL9000 Pro is a powerful rugged smartphone built for extreme conditions, featuring IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certifications. Its standout feature is the integrated FLIR Lepton 3.5 thermal imaging camera, ideal for professional thermal analysis. Powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor, it includes 12GB RAM, expandable to 24GB virtual, and 512GB storage. The device boasts a 6.78-inch 2.4K Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh, Harman Kardon speakers, and runs Android 14 with DocOS 4. A massive 8,800 mAh battery supports 120W fast charging. Dual 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and robust camera systems enhance its appeal for demanding environments. The Doogee V Max Pro is a rugged smartphone designed for extreme endurance and harsh environments, featuring a colossal 22,000 mAh battery for multi-day use. Certified to IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, it's highly resistant to water, dust, and drops. It runs on Android 14 with a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, 12GB RAM, expandable to 32GB with virtual RAM, and 512GB storage, expandable to 2TB. The phone sports a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display and a versatile camera setup including a 108-megapixel main, 20-megapixel night vision, and 8-megapixel wide and macro lens. It also includes intelligent lights, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and stereo speakers. The Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro is a rugged smartphone built for professionals in demanding environments, featuring IP68 water and dust resistance and military standard 810H certification. It offers a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display with glove and wet touch support, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Powered by a Snapdragon 778G processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, expandable to 1TB, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and CBRS. Its removable 4,050 mAh battery enables long shifts with fast and pogo charging. The dual rear cameras include a 50-megapixel main sensor. Additional features include Samsung Knox, DeX support, programmable buttons, and Android 14 with One UI 6 upgrades. The AGM Glory G1S is a rugged 5G smartphone tailored for professionals and outdoor users, featuring IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H certifications for extreme durability. It includes a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, Snapdragon 480 processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, expandable to 512GB. Standout features include a high-resolution thermal imaging camera, a 20-megapixel infrared night vision camera, and a built-in laser pointer. It also boasts a 48-megapixel main camera, 16-megapixel front camera, and a 5,500 mAh battery with 18W fast charging. Running Android 11, it supports GPS, dual SIM, NFC, and includes a programmable button and side fingerprint sensor.